My wife adores the black Kylo Ren inspired pleather jacket that she got at the Disney store. While inexpensive, pleather is not nearly as durable or resilient as real leather. After about a year and a half of owning it, the collar is already starting to blister. The plastic layer is already separating from the fabric backing, and 2 tears had begun to develop along the back shoulders from hanging it on a door hook. Now, a cobbler or a leather worker will probably turn their noses up at repairing pleather. My wife decided to effect repairs herself. My wife is quite handy, and so she purchased this pleather repair tape from Amazon. The yellow you're seeing here is the back of the roll that has the non-stick layer, and the inside, as we can see here, is the pleather. It comes in a number of colors, and this black does a pretty good job of matching the original pleather on the jacket. Now, she's already effected repairs on the shoulder tears, and these are the patch sections that she put on. She's done an amazing job of matching the seams and making the patch look intentional. The repair tape itself is pretty thin and easy to work with. It's somewhat akin to working with a shelf liner. It's about as thick as premium gaffer's tape or duct tape, and the adhesive is quite strong. You clean off the leather area with some alcohol and then cut out a section of the tape to cover any holes or tears that you need to repair. Here's the section of the shoulders that my wife has already repaired using this tape. She cut out a patch and matched it to the seams and really done a great job here. She does highly recommend that you clean off the surface thoroughly with some alcohol before applying any of the tape. For best results, you want to use a process similar to dressmaking or sewing where you flatten out your garment as well as you can. Then, using a paper or parchment template, trace out the area or panel that you want to repair, and then use that template to cut out a section of the tape. Then peel off that cutout section of tape and carefully place it down on your garment, rub it down, and leave it overnight. And these are the results. If you're interested in picking up this repair tape, look for the link in the video description or go to my blog, moondogindustries.com, for more details. And please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for watching. Moondog out. All right, a quick update, and we had a failure. Now, the pleather repair tape itself didn't fail in so much as there are no tears in it, but the underlying material that we were trying to repair in the jacket did. When she put it on, the section that was that the repair tape was covering tore off from the underlying jacket. So it stayed intact. Unfortunately, the connection to the jacket itself did not stay intact. So as a repair job, that was a fail. As a product, well, kind of a mixed bag. Anyway, I'll leave it at that. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, please share it on forums, Facebook, Reddit, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, MeWe, whatever social media you're on. And if you want to see all of my videos, check out moondogindustries.com.